Forbes is reporting that Walmart heir Rob Walton is expected to purchase the Denver Broncos for a whopping $4.5 billion. Joining us now with more on this development, we've got Yahoo Finance's Josh Schafer. Josh, what do we know so far?
Yeah, Brad. So Forbes is reporting that essentially their story says that no one will have more money than Rob Walton in this bid. I don't think either of you are surprised by that. I'm not necessarily shocked by that either. So it seems like basically what they're saying is it's Rob Walton's bid to lose. And I think we knew that coming into it. They're expecting the deal to maybe close sometime later this month. We should note the Broncos have said nothing about this, and we have heard nothing from the Broncos directly. So it's not that clear yet. What I think the big takeaway here is the number, $4.5 billion. That's we're showing right now. That's $2 billion more than has ever been paid for an NFL team. And so really what that shows us is these rising valuations. I mean, later today, we've heard Apple might finally announce that they're probably going to have Sunday Ticket. They're expected to pay $2 billion for that. That might come at Apple's announcement today. They're paying $2 billion just for NFL Sunday Ticket. So I think really the takeaway here is the big numbers and the growth in valuations.
Looking out 10 years from now, wouldn't this be a steal at $4.5 billion?
It could be, right? And that's the crazy thing. So we had on Zach Leonsis last week, who's the president of the Washington Capitals. They also own the Washington Wizards. Monumental Sports Entertainment's their group, right? His father, Ted, bought the Washington Capitals for $85 million in 2000. That's now worth over $900 million. Wow. If you had bought the S&P 500 in 2000, you would have done half as good as Ted Leonsis did by buying the Washington Capitals. It's the new thing now. That's it. If you had the billions of dollars
just buy
for the mega rich, just buy a sports team, and it's taking off.
Well, that's the market that you got to be in, too. I mean, it's Washington, right? And so you also think about the market in Denver and the number of companies that have tried to attract or retain talent in that city. You've also got other sports franchises that are doing well in the Denver Nuggets, already in Denver. And so for the Broncos...
Russell Wilson added this offseason,
exactly.
Brad. And the big names now, too.
Yeah.
I told you
those jerseys at Walmart.
I told you guys we could have... gotten the bidding for the New York Mets. You guys didn't want to get involved. You didn't want to get involved.
You didn't send me the Venmo request.
Fair enough.
Josh Schafer joining us here to break down the latest with the Denver Broncos. Thanks so much, Josh.